What are the appropriate metrics to gauge a maintenance technician's performance? How do you know if they're doing a great job, good job, okay job, terrible job?
One good one is rework. When you keep going back to the equipment again and again, you either didn't troubleshoot it correctly or you didn't make the repair correctly. If you were to say, when I've got technicians working on certain jobs, if rework is always showing up with Billy, then Billy's the one I need to have a conversation with privately
Yeah.
and find out what's going on. Is he having a problem at home or something else? How can I help you?
When we're talking about all these different metrics, but it always comes back to rework because that's something that is kind of like this mutual contract between you and the team. It's like, hey, when we send you out there, we expect that you will do it correctly. And rework is essentially the opposite of that.
Yeah.
But what we also talk about quite a bit is like, how do you track that? How do you measure that? Like a lot of people and teams that we've talked to don't have the best infrastructure to really look at, track, and measure rework.
If you would have sorted by technician, okay, on jobs you had to go back to within 30 days, then that tells you that we probably either didn't troubleshoot it properly or maybe they didn't have the right time to do it. I don't know. And that's why I need to do a root cause analysis of it. But I
Yeah.
want the technicians involved in that, not me tell them to do it. I want them to want to do it. Because you don't blame anybody. It's typically not a technician, intentionally wanted to, do the wrong thing. They want to do the right thing. But if they're part of the discovery process of it, then
Yeah.
then they won't do it again, you know. And if they do, they go, "Oh my gosh, I'm a knucklehead," I got to start over.
Yeah.